Everything in the world is in agitation. The world by now is agitated. The rulers, the statesmen, Christians and non-Christians, Muslim, Hindus, Buddhists, the leaders of the world, Christian denominations, humanity are now agitated with the letter C. And the world is expecting more of this letter C. What is this letter C, kapatid? So are we now agitated by the coming crisis? Or are we agitated by the coming Christ? Viewing our lives and the perspective of either of these two, coming Christ or coming Jesus. Who is coming and what is coming will play a significant impact on the life that we live now. How do we live now? What is our culture today? Our way of life right now? Life agitated by what is coming will only give us fear, uncertainty, and insecurity. That life agitated by who is coming, it will give us peace, certainty, and security.